A waterproof case for your Apple AirPods. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the AirPods Waterproof Active Hand Case by Elago. They come in a variety of colors, and we will be taking a look at the jean indigo and black. The company sent this out for me to review, and as always, I provide my honest and unbiased opinions in my reviews. I have included the links in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a carabiner accessory so you can attach the case to your bags or belt loop, and an insert with the installation instructions. The cases are simple in design and provide waterproof protection up to 3.3 feet and drop protection up to 4 feet. It's Ip67 rated and can protect it from dust as well. This is the jean indigo, and these cases are made of silicone. It has a nice textured finish that gives it a nice feel all around. On the side, you have the loop for the carabiner. And as you can see, it's very easy to install. You have the Elago branding on the front, and the top stretches so you can insert the case. And the bottom has a plug for the charging port, so you can charge it without removing the case. And this is the black version. As mentioned earlier, there are a variety of colors available for the active cases. There's nothing to it, it's just a simple design. Installing it is a matter of sliding the case in and making sure that the charging port plug is pushed in and sealed. So let's test it out. Just a simple test here with a glass of water. Let's see if it stays dry. Removing the case, you can see that the inside has stayed dry, and the AirPods feel dry as well. So the case did its job. The Elago Active Hand Cases. I think these are great accessories for your AirPods, especially those that have active lifestyles. It adds a bit of drop protection along with the waterproofing. Simple in design with a variety of colors to choose from. So if you're worried about getting your AirPods wet or dropping them, check out these Elago cases. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.